This is the example of how we're going to use an if statement within our program. However, other situations could occur where more than one task could be carried out as a result of the statement, and other conditions are possible. In this scenario, an else-if statement could be added right below our if statement. Another possibility would be if other results exist, but no other conditions can be met. In this case, the else block would be added right below the if statement on the Boolean line. Multiple if statements can also be added to the same line. For example, I'll show you what code might look like to immediately end a while loop through the use of a limit switch. Another if statement block would be placed under our previous if statement. And for this if statement, we're going to set up the expression to read if our variable limit ever becomes equal to 0, then we'll reassign the value of count to become equal to some number greater than 5. We'll go with 6 to cause our while loop to come to an end. But for any of that to happen, we first need to be getting input from our limit switch. So we'll place a limit switch onto our while loop. And our limit switch is connected to port number 7. And we want to retrieve that input to our variable limit. And click OK. And take a step back to look at our program here, because this is basically what we were looking to accomplish. We have a program that will run while our variable count is less than 5. If at any point our bump sensor is pressed, it's going to increase our value of our variable count by 1 and print that value to the screen. It's going to wait a second and then move the robot forward for a second. It's going to continue that process until our variable for count reaches some number higher than 5, and if at any point during the entire program the limit switch is pressed, it will automatically make our variable for count greater than 5. It will be 6, bringing our program to an end. And to make sure that that's clear when that happens, we'll also add a print to screen that simply reads done. And that will complete the program that we were writing.